All right, we're gonna head to Big Thunder Mountain Q. Ooh. Maybe not. We got movement. Green is moving. Ever so slightly. It's hard to tell, but there's a sound of a saw cutting wood, like an electric saw, behind these walls. But the BGM, the background music, does a good job covering it up. See if we can catch any construction sounds. This is a good spot to catch some construction sounds. Crane got rid of the chains that it had a few moments ago. Okay, it's been quite a warm day. I'm here with my son, so I haven't been able to just film continuously. But we're kind of here in the alcove, see if we can catch some cool sounds before we head into the Big Thunder Mountain Q, which has become the spot to go to get some footage. So I think I just heard like an earth mover or a small bulldozer, small scoop. I saw it from Hall of Presidents, but I didn't want to climb any walls or anything, any benches to try to capture it. Trying to follow our code of conduct here and be respectful. All right, we're gonna head to Big Thunder Mountain Q. Ooh. Maybe not. starting to get into the queue. Zoom in. Yep, the crane we saw earlier is all tucked in for the night. Looks like the crew has wrapped up.